Hi, I'm Shreya and this is Decoding Code. In this video, I will be showing you guys a class that I created, and I do realize that in my previous video, I showed you guys how to create these custom classes and create your own functions, but I just wanted to show you guys what more you can do with this, and you can do a lot of things with your classes, so I just wanted to play around with this and show you guys what I created. I created these three integers, so there's height, length, and width, and those are the inputs from the user. And so we have our constructor, and I'm using the inputs height, width, and length, and then setting them equal to the one in the computer's memory. And so then we generate the getters and setters. All of this is stuff that we have gone over before. So if you don't understand any of this, make sure to go watch my previous video in the little information box up above. Then we create our functions. So mine is for aquariums, and so it's the height, length, and width of the aquarium. I wanted to get the volume of the aquarium, which is the height times the width times the length. So I got that in this function, and then I wanted to get how many fish, squid, and sharks can actually live in the aquarium. So here I'm just assuming that one fish can live in 1 foot cubed of water. So that's a whole lot of fish per aquarium, but that's just what I'm kind of assuming here. And then for a squid, I'm assuming that it takes up 10 times more than a fish does. So then we just divide it by 10 because it takes up more space. And so that means less squid. And then sharks are bigger, right? So I was just kind of making it so that sharks take up 50 times as much space as fish do. So we divide the volume by these numbers to get the amount of squid and sharks and fish that you would actually have in your aquarium. So these are the functions that I decided to go with, and of course you can have different inputs, and of course you can have different functions, but I just wanted to show you some of the things that you can do here. So let's go to my other class here, and this is where I actually use them, the functions that I made. So here we have my two aquariums. So my big aquarium has dimensions 80 by 40 by 20, and then my small aquarium has dimensions 30 by 20 by 10. And so here are my print statements. In the print statements, I just get fish, get shark, get squid, get shark, and then get volume. I put in these kind of functions just to use them and compare the two aquariums with the get sharks. You can compare the two aquariums, and also I want to do get volume for the big ones, so we can compare the volumes. So I'm just gonna copy and paste that, and then replace it with the big aquarium. So give me like 2 seconds. Alright, so there we have it. I just put the same print statement because I just replaced the small with big, and then we can see after I execute it what the small and big aquarium's volumes are like. And so wow. Okay, so in the big aquarium you can house 64,000 fish, which obviously I can tell that my math was way off. And then in the big aquarium you can house 1,280 sharks, and in the small aquarium you can house 600 squid and 120 sharks. That still seems off, but it's okay because I wasn't actually going on actual math. Then the volume of the small aquarium is 6,000 feet cubed, and then the volume of the big aquarium is 64,000 feet cubed. So that's obviously way too big for an aquarium. Okay, just saying, that's not very realistic at all. And even the small aquarium is a huge aquarium. But that's okay. Yeah, that's fine, because it's just to show you guys the kind of functions that you can use and make with your classes. So just be creative when you're creating your classes and your functions, and make sure that it's very easy to use for you. In my next video, we will be going over sorting, and so just stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more of my content. Comment down below any questions or feedback you guys might have for me, and I will see you guys again next week with that new video. Bye!